Chef Anthony here today, bringing you the 3 ways to peel and devein your shrimp. Nice and easy for a crowd. Nothing left to it. Let's get in here. Okay, I got some great 1620 shell-on shrimp. Beautiful stuff. I'm going with the gadget. I'm not a gadget person to begin with, but I like saving time. I like saving effort, and I like to move quickly. So thanks to our buddy Tim, we have this one. It's the Charleston shrimp zipper, and let's give it a go. So shrimp in my left hand, the zipper in my right. So we're just gonna go and take it above the skin, right above the shell right here, so I can actually see it right here without piercing. And what we do is just follow that line right here and go all the way through. Dun, 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 dun. I'm going nice and slow for you guys, but it just pushes all the way through. Look at that. Let's give it a push. Nothing sweeter than that. Look at that. That's so cool. So now let's check the quality here. So no vein, no shell, all one thing, all one in there. Look at that. Here's the vein hanging. Here's the shell right here. Let's do that one more time. And here's another tip, guys. I like a little bit of wet paper towel just to clean, and then you could throw it away. So those pesky veins and all that shellage. Let's try that one more time. I'm digging this. Whoa. Flash. I could do that all day. So this is chef approved method. I like this. Next, if you don't have a gadget, your fork as well. So this is a 4-prong fork. I try to put 2 prongs in, 2 prongs out, kind of like halfway. And we just kind of like to ride the same thing, go all the way up, and just twist it a little bit. Give it a push, just like that, and twist the top. Now look, it all peels off, which is good. 80% of the way though. Still have a little bit of vein that I missed, but I can pick that out. Definitely chops up the shrimp a little bit more with the fork. This is so nice and smooth compared to that. So here's 1, 2. Here's my 3rd way. I like to grill shrimp, especially in the summertime or anytime I'm near a grill. I like to use trusty scissors, so sharp scissors, and we're gonna wanna go about halfway into the shrimp, depending on the size, just like that. And then just give it a snip all the way through, just like that, all the way to the tail. And we'll go like that. And now we could see our vein right there. So we want to get rid of that, and it'll just pull right up and easy. This is if we're going to grill them in the shell. So I like to do that. And once again, use that wet paper towel, and then just go like this. Sweet and easy. So that's nice and flat. This is proper for grilling the shrimp in the shell. So this covers all the 3 ways. I got to use the zipper one more time. This thing's sweet. I think I'm sold on it. All the way through. Look at that. Now that's cool. All right, so have fun peeling your shrimp. Do it a bunch of different ways. Let me know which way is best for you. I kind of like the tool. I tell you what, I'm not going to lie. This is kind of my favorite gadget so far. One I got to get. Tim might not get this back. All right, thanks, gang. Enjoy.